Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, so welcome to this session. So we are running now the week third. So I hope you
Good
have
afternoon,
started.
sir.
Good afternoon. Okay, so week three is now running. So now you have already seen that week three live programming assignment is also now introduced. So any doubt in programming assignment or to understand the interface or anything till now? If you have any doubt or any query, you can raise your hand. We will clarify about this. Any assignments, any programming assignment. I hope you are able to solve all these programming assignment.
Yes, sir, I have solved, but one problem came from the graded assignment.
Graded assignment. Okay, okay. Just you can raise the hand. If anyone have any type of query, you can raise the hand. I'll take your query one by one, and then we will discuss. Okay, 1 second. Let me share my screen. Hello. Yeah. So I hope my skin is visible. Yeah. Which beak actually? Okay, beak three. Which person you have the issue? Yeah, Ravikant. Where?
Yes, sir, week 3, sir, week 3 graded assignment question number 8.
1 second.
Sir, I am not able to understand the question. What are the programming says?
Question number. Can you repeat which number?
Sir, question number 8.
8. Okay.
No, sir, graded assignment one.
Yeah, I have opened graded assignment only.
No, sir, not a graded programming.
Okay, practice programming. You are saying. Oh, okay. Theory question you are asking. Okay.
Yeah, yes,
Okay. So you are not able to understand these operators.
yes, sir.
Okay, these are called as a bitwise operator. So I think it is not discussed in the previous Tuesday session or any session. Bitwise operators.
Sir, actually, it is discussed, but I am not able to get the output of that because I am not
Okay,
able
fine.
to.
No
It's
issue, no
like
issue.
something like binary calculation.
Ha. So this is work on the binary bits actually. Okay, so that I'll cover. Uh, okay. Yeah, SG, what's your doubt?
Sir, my doubt is in the graded programming assignment. This is in the uh, GRPA4.
Okay.
Here I've done the programming and in the test run, I'm getting the 3 out of 5 test pass. So actually, it is the problem of the decimal accuracy.
Okay.
So I'm not able to solve it because it says even to use the double data type. I have done everything double data type, but I'm not able to crack the uh, all the test run.
Okay.
If you
So
want, I can share the screen to show you what I've done, or
this
maybe
is
later
graded
on.
actually. Yeah, this is graded question.
Okay,
So do
okay.
not share any solution for this.
No,
Okay.
okay. But at least I can
So,
show you what I've done. Maybe you don't give me the solution, but
ha.
you can at least see if is a big mistake or not. So I don't worry if it is not solved. Maybe I'll see later on. But if it
Hmm.
is something bigger mistake, then you can take in the explanation some other way, or you can leave it.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever way you want,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So how you did actually? So what process you follow for this to
Uh,
solve?
okay. What I did was I did create a variable x1 in the double,
Mm-hmm.
and I did it like so. This is I did create a variable x1. I did it x1 is equal to 1 by x. I just simply created 1 by x, and then I
Mm-hmm.
created cfrac double variable, which is also initially x plus x1. So the first the lowest denominator I took as a cfrac, and then I put it in the loop of for 4 times. Loop runs 4 times, and the loop runs 4 times for value is equal to cfrac is equal to x plus 1 by cfrac. So the first most bottom denominator is achieved in the first loop, then second, then third, and then fourth. So in this, when I run this, there are 5 test cases: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 5 x value. So inputs,
Mm-hmm.
5 inputs. So input 1 and 2, they are not able to solve because this needs a very better, more accuracy. But input 3, 4, 5 are solved correctly. So for 1 and 2, because these are lower values, they need a very higher accuracy. This is where the test is failing. I have kept the variables as a double, but still
Okay.
it is
So
not able to solve.
you are talking about this public test case, na? So 1 and 2 are not passed, and 3, 4, 5 passed.
Yes,
Correct?
yes, exactly, exactly, exactly.
So how much difference is coming in the expected output of your output?
Just a second, sir. I'll try to just open it. So in the case 1, where the input is 2, the difference is zero point 0.1. So the expected output is 2.41 and the actual output is 2.40. And the second one, in this case 3, where input is 1, so expected output is 1.62 and mine is 1.50. So
Okay.
2.40 is coming, and if you see case 3, it is
This
1.50 is
is
coming.
little bit about the accuracy. So that is something
Yes.
round off actually.
Okay.
So there is maybe round off. So
Okay.
actually we don't want to round off in this. I think it is message.
But I
Use
didn't
double
do
data
round out
type
of.
to store as
Yes. So I use double data type. There is no round off I've done. So maybe there is some mistake in the.
maybe internally some
Yes.
round off is happening.
Yes. Yes.
Hello,
So
Exactly.
sir.
Exactly.
yeah, Utkarsh.
Sir, I was facing similar problem, but after some changes in my code, I have passed all the test cases.
So what type of change you done?
Instead of doing fraction in parts, I have just done the whole calculation in a single line.
Single line.
Okay. 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 That's.
Okay.
Sir,
Thank
we
you.
can
So
also calculate all these
yeah, for
things
this
by
type of question, just apply the different strategy to solve this
Okay.
because in
Okay.
this is week 3, we are not expecting the loop or anything for the calculation.
Yes. Okay.
So
Okay.
this is
Understood.
just like a expression.
Okay.
Yeah, there is a
Okay.
chance. Yeah, I expect that. So there is a chance that some fractional difference may come due to some
Hmm.
calculation different
Okay.
and way of the different. Okay, so that may be happen. Because of that, we
Okay.
are using this double for the more accuracy.
That's
Okay,
great.
so just apply the different strategy to solve and
Okay.
get the.
Fantastic. Sir. That is good.
Mhm.
Thank you for this input. Thank you, Utkarsh.
Okay, yeah, thanks, Utkarsh. Okay, so this is fine. Huh. Okay, so week 3 now we have only learned the operators, expression, all these things only. So if anyone have already know about the loops and condition statement, they can try use it. Okay, but we are expecting only the expression based questions in this week. Okay, you should know how to read the input, how to solve any expression in the code, and how to print the output. So that is the main motive of this week 3, and because of that we also released many questions in this week because you should have the good practice on the programming at the initial state. Okay, so solve all these problems by your own. Just type all the codes by your own, do not copy paste. Okay, so otherwise you will not be able to type any single line in the opp exam if you will not practice of that also. Okay, so yeah, this is fine. So any other doubt in this content, week 3 assignments or anything?
sir, I
Sir,
want to
that
say, can you
sorry.
explain the question? Can you explain the concept used in question number 8 in graded assignment?
That na bitwise operator. Okay, okay. Okay. So meanwhile, so as you know that we are using different portal for this session. So that is actually online GitHub, online GDB, sorry, online GDB. So I hope you have the link for that. So we have already added into the Google Calendar. Okay. So if you can see, so in the Google Calendar inbuilt, we have mentioned this invite link. If you have not joined this online GDB, so that you can join this. So we can practice on this platform also. So today I've published 4 problem. I'm sending this link in the chat again. If you have not calendar access, okay. So we have released this one, week 3 problem 1 to week 4. Okay, all these questions are basically business logic based questions. Maybe some real life stories mentioned in these questions, and just figure out that what they are asking. So how actually problems is designed. Okay, so to solve, maybe there is some story, but how you can identify that what you should do in your code. Okay, so what expression you need to write, how to read the input. So that I have released this, published this. So just open your online GDB portal and access these problems. So let me check. Okay. So can anyone confirm are these problem visible? Because I'm admin. So
Yes, sir, it is.
Yeah, it is.
okay.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Let me. I have to open from the incognito mode only. I think. Okay. Yeah, that bitwise operator. I'm discussing just now. Okay. Others can just try to solve this, because the purpose of this session is just solve all the coding problems in during the live session itself. Okay. So this is week 3. So we are not discussing too much logical or difficult problem in this week, but you can start with basics. From week 3 onward, once the for loop and conditional statement will come, we will discuss the more logical problem. So okay, so I am opening this problem and try to solve this. And I hope you know how to use this portal. So I think previous session we have already used this. So so this is the problem statement. This is very similar to your our course portal. Okay, so but there's some features are changed, some UI is changed. So this is the problem statement. You need to write your code in this black area. Okay, you need to write a complete program here. So we are not giving any like code as a suffix or prefix, but here you need to write a complete code. So that means you need to read the input as well as you need to print the output as per the requirement of the question. So after reading, after writing the complete program, then this is the button, test button. Okay, so here from you can test your code on the configure test case. Okay, you can also run your code and you can pass the input from the standard input. You will get here console, you will get a console here to pass the input. But for test your code on the configured input. Okay, so you need to click on this test button. So it will show you the that status of your test case. Once your code is working fine and passing all the test case, then submit button. Okay, so this is the way to use this. So you can just write a program. So here you can see some story is given, some scenario is given, and you need to write a complete program for this. So in OPP exam, similar type of questions will be there. So like some story will be given, some scenario will be given, and you need to identify that what your task is actually. Okay. So similar here, we have just created similar type of questions. So you can see a store offers a 10% discount on all purchases. Okay, above $100. You can take any. Okay, amount. Write a C program to calculate the final price after applying the discount. The program should take the purchase amount as input and the output the discounted price. Okay, so if purchase is above 100, then only this 10% discount is applicable. Otherwise not. Input format is given, output format is given. So and you need to print this rounded to two decimal points. So you have already see this how we can print till two decimal point any float value. So this is sample input, output, and some explanation. Okay. So just read the problems. So to solve any programming questions, just read the problem statement very carefully. Just note down all every constraint and every input output format, and then follow each. Okay. So basically, just focus on the logical part, not just looking only input and output. For some problem, you will find out that maybe you are just writing your code based on some specific input and output. Okay, so that code may be failed on the another input, possible input. Okay, so write always your solution code based on the problem statement requirements. Okay, by not looking the only specific input. Okay, but for understanding the problem statement, just verify your understanding on the input output. Yes, Satyaprakash.
Yes, which link you provided of GDB compiler? I'm not getting what content you are showing actually. How
No,
I'm logging.
you have to register first your as a student. Okay.
Okay,
Then register first yourself as a student, and then you will reach at that page.
no,
So what
do
you
I
are
need
getting, what you are getting when you are clicking on this link?
actually? I'm getting a portal where I have to log in. There are three
So
platforms:
log in.
Google,
So
Facebook, and
log
Data.
in. Okay, log in through your Google ID and the student email ID first, and it will ask to register your you as a student or teacher. So just register as a student.
Okay,
Okay, just
okay,
follow the complete process. Huh? Okay, so you can try to solve all these problems. Okay, so I am also getting your status for each status, so that on the admin, so how many of have actually started or submitted. So two is doing this problem one. Okay, so we will evaluate these later. Okay, so now comes to the that bitwise operator things. Yeah, that's are important. So every these operators parts is very important. Okay, so you should also know very well this conditional operators. Okay, and or not this how it actually works. So just you can practice and you can explore little bit about this how it works actually. So let me show you the bitwise operators. Problem statement question number 8. This is also a graded assignment. Okay, so I'll not solve completely. Okay, I'll take another example to explain this. Okay, so what is the meaning of this bitwise operator basically? So suppose we are giving any integer input. Okay, so like a equal to 15. Okay, and this is the integer. I hope my screen is visible. My notepad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. And we are asking that what will be the value of suppose if we are printing something like this, print f and percentile d. Okay, so this is just a specifier to how we are printing the output. Okay, but we are printing like okay, so we are taking another value also, so like int b equal to like 11. Okay, so I am just writing like a and b. Okay, so what is this operator?
And operator.
No, no, this is bitwise AND operator.
Yeah,
Okay, so okay, so here so when we are performing any bitwise operator, so that means this operator will work on the bits actually binary in value of the given number. So here this value is given as a decimal value, but this operation will be work on the binary representation on this on the bits actually. what is the binary representation for 11? Can anyone tell me? Binary
Sir,
representation for 11.
1011.
Okay. So this is the binary representation of 1011. Initially, if we are using integer or this thing, so there may be many zero before this, okay? But this contains the main information actually, these 4 bits. I am giving the example only 4 bits value. But generally this int take 32 bits, so remaining value will remain 0, okay, before this. And similarly, what is the value of 15?
1111.
1111. So that means this is the bits actually in the binary representation for this. And when we are performing this A and B operator, okay, so A and B means AND operation we are performing. And the I hope you have seen this AND table in the digital system,
Yes, sir,
maybe
yes.
any digital course, okay.
Yes, sir.
So that AND logic table, okay. So how this AND actually bitwise AND works? So this works like A and B. If our both bits are 0, like this is the possible combination, okay. This is the possible input combination. And if we are performing this A and B, so according to the AND definition, if both input is high, then output will be high, otherwise 0. This is the definition of AND operator. So if both is 0, output will be 0. No, sorry. If any of the bit is 0, output will be 0. If both is high, only then output will be high. So like this 0 1, this is will be also 0 1 0. This will also be 0, and this is 1 1 is 1. Okay. Now this operation perform on this data. So 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay. Like, so now you can see perform the this AND operation bit between every corresponding bit. Okay, so 1 1 1, correct? Just see this table, and 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. So according to this table, we are performing AND operation between every bits of this binary representation, and we are getting this value, final operation. And what is this corresponding to decimal value?
11.
11. So we are performing the operation on binary, but we are printing the result as a decimal. So this will print 11. Okay. Now next things OR. So same data we will perform OR operation now. So like I am just printing printf percentile d and a OR. Okay. So this I think this is used single line. Okay. So for this operation, so this is OR table. Okay. So like A, B, yes.
Sir, I had write the code and it is running well. It's mean it is correct, but when I test it, it's showing that zero passed out of five.
Oh, okay. I'll check your code. Okay. Just I'll
Okay.
complete this. So A or B. So this table is actually zero. Possible input are 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is the 4 possibility. So according to the OR definition, if any input is high, output will be high. Okay. This is the condition for OR. So 0, 1, 1, 1. So now the perform same things on this input data, like which is given to us. So output will be 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. So this is equivalent to 15. So the output of this will be 15 by this decimal. Okay. Now comes to the and there is one operator, this not operator. Okay. So if you are passing like B, so that just invert all the bits. If you are passing 1 0 0 1, it will become a 0 1 1 0. All bits invert. So what is the corresponding value of that? That will, so this is bitwise not operator. Now comes to the shift operator. So what we are talking about the shift operator actually. So let's I'm taking the example A equal to like 11. Okay. This is the decimal value. What is the corresponding binary is 1011, as you said. Okay, so this is the thing. Now, so okay, so now we are performing. So this actually this is called as a shift left shift. Okay, left shift, and this is called as a right shift. So we are shifting the bits actually to the left side or right side in this way. So if we have like a equal to 11 and we are performing a left shift like 2. So what is the meaning of this? So the bits we have like this, okay, 1011. As I mentioned that initially we have also some bits that is all zeros actually. So we are performing this left shift two position. So two position to the left side, all bits. Okay. So what will happen? All these bits will be shifted to two position to the left. So initially all are zero. So this is the first bit. This will be shifted at this position. Okay. So that means at the last two zero will become after shifting. So this part, this complete part which have some information, so that will be shifted to complete two positions to the left side. Okay, so like this value will become 0 0 some initial 0 and then 1 0 1 1 and then last 2 0. Okay, so what is the corresponding value for this? That will be printed into the output. Okay, and if we are writing a right shift 2, so things is this is now 0 0 0 initially and 1 0 1 1. Now all bits will be shifted to the two position right. So that means these two actually will be distorted. Okay, this will be removed actually from our data. So all will be shifted to the two position to the right. Finally, you will get a data like this and 1 0. Okay, so all bits are shifted to two bits, but there is so these first two bits will be actually removed from the shifting. So you will get a this information. So what is the equivalent decimal of this? That will be print. So this is actually 0 1 0 0 0 1 and this is 3. Sorry, 2. Okay. So this is the idea of bitwise operators.
Yes, sir.
Okay, got it? Any doubt if you have? So you can test it on the compiler. Okay, so you can just open any online GDB or any compiler and just take some value and see what output you are getting. Can you test it? So some do not solve problem first. Just experiment on the editor. How the editor is working for this. Okay, I hope this is clear. Idea is clear.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, let's move to the question. Yeah, someone said that question is not clear. Passing the test case. Yeah, you can share your screen and show me.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. So I have to represent the screen.
Just share your screen and show me what you are facing.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Ha, Satyaprakash.
Yes, I'm not getting the content which you are sharing.
Sir, it is showing that you are not allowed to share your screen.
Hmm, I think it is allowed.
No, sir. It is not allowed for anyone to share.
Share their screen. Okay. Can you try now?
Yes, sir. Now it's working.
Yeah. Yes, sir. It is.
Okay.
Now it is. Okay.
Yeah, Satyaprakash. So I'll also check for you. 1 second.
Yes, sir. Check my name. Did you, I mean, have you added me or not?
No, you can share your screen and then we will check what you are getting actually. Uh, just wait for some time and I'll check this.
Okay,
Oh,
sir.
you haven't write your code.
No, sir.
Sudhanshu first. Sudhanshu
No,
first
sir.
write the complete code and then show me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so it will take some time. Yeah, Satyaprakash. Meanwhile, you can just show me your screen what you are getting actually.
Yes, I am sharing. My screen is visible,
Ha. Okay.
so
So
that's the thing I'm getting.
can you click on the you enroll as a teacher.
Huh?
As I said that just enroll as a student.
But here, classroom shared with me means if someone's sharing any
No.
classroom,
So why you enroll as a teacher?
actually, sir, I don't know. I have used it before, so it must be showing the
Okay. Can
past
you click
data.
on the link? Can you click on the link again that which I shared with you?
Yes, sir. Actually, it is login by this ID, the IT Madras ID. So how can I remove my data from this particular website so I can log in again with the same ID?
I think I haven't checked also how to remove the login steps actually. So
Just
can
log
you just
out.
no, it will not work actually. He have registered as a teacher. So can you just click on that my link again? So let me check.
Sorry, about
This
this
one,
link
yeah,
you are talking.
this one, yeah. Click on this again, and you're getting the same page, eh?
Yeah,
And click on the classroom button.
this is the same thing coming again.
Okay. So what you can do, you can just join. Just now you can log out and join through your personal ID. Then, okay. Create a new
So,
account and join through your
okay.
personal ID.
So I'll be getting the content.
How you will get the content? Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So anyway, we are not giving any marks for this, but this is only for practice purpose. So you can join through your personal ID also. Yeah. Now, if anyone have started, then you can share your screen and show me how your code is working, and you can explain now.
Is it visible, sir?
Ha. Yeah. Sudhanshu.
So yeah, so
Okay.
this is
So first
yeah.
thing, just explain your code
Okay.
line by line what you did.
Okay, so first of all, this is the header file, include a studio.h, and I am calculating, so that's why I use this method.h function. After that, this is int main and float n, because it is in question, it
So
is
why you used that math.h?
math.h, because sir, uh, yeah, without, yeah, I can run this without math.h.
This is not required now. So okay, fine. So math.h is required if you are using any math function.
Yeah.
That is.
So, so
Can
and
you increase your font a little bit? It is looking very slow. Just control and scroll up your mouse.
uh,
Okay. This is fine. Yeah. Now explain.
so yeah, so I have to take the input n. Uh,
Hmm.
so for that scan f n, and I have to give discount to the customer according to this question. So
Hmm.
10% discount. So for that I have write this, and the final amount or price will be the actual price minus the discount. So after all, print out the final price. So this is my code, and it is
One
working.
second. One second. It is working for some test case, correct?
No, sir, it is showing a zero pass, zero test cases pass.
Okay. Hmm. So just now you can zoom out. Okay. So according to the question statement, what is mentioned actually? So here it is mentioned. Your input is float. You are doing correct these things. Okay. You are taking correct format input. Yeah, it's fine. But according to the output things, it is mentioned that print your output till only two decimal places.
Oh,
Okay, so have you done this steps in your code?
oh, wait. It's 0.2. I have to
Hmm.
write 0.2 f.
Hmm. Now this is the first thing. Okay. Otherwise, there is one more constraint in the question statement. Question statement mention that if your purchase is above 100, then only discount is applicable. Otherwise, not.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
So
Oh,
here, this
got,
statement is now required a conditional statement, correct?
yeah,
And the
yeah,
conditional statement in Week 3, we have discussed one ternary operator.
yeah.
If you know if else things, that's fine. Otherwise, you can use ternary operator for this. So all these four today's problems, maybe you can try this ternary operator if you don't know the conditional statement if else. So you will also learn that how ternary operators works actually. That is called as a ternary operator, but that works like as a conditional statement.
Okay.
Sir, please send the link. Okay, so this link is already added in the calendar. Uh, your Google Calendar event. Okay, I am sending again.
Where I had done mistakes here.
What you did now?
I use this app. Actually, I forget this line. If n will be greater than 100, then I have to print this code.
Then okay, so float final price is this, but still your so okay, if not huh, so if your price is not greater than 100, then
Yeah.
your actual price will be print. Okay, but this
Oh,
final
yes.
price, so where you declared, oh, you declared final, you have not declared actually. Okay.
Okay.
You declare this. Okay, so that is the one more important things if you are using this conditional statement. Okay, so one thing, this is about the scope thing. So if you are declaring any variable inside the block, actually this if block, okay, so that
Yeah.
can be only accessed inside the block, not outside the block. This is the actually week 5 things, but you did hear this, and because of that I'm telling you. So always declare your variables outside of any brackets, okay, at the initial of your code.
Yeah.
Okay, so this float discount and float final price, if you want to use this outside of this if condition, so just declare outside. Okay, so
Okay.
for first problem, I am just explaining you how you can use the ternary operator. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So I think that will be helpful for you. So then you can try this ternary operator in the remaining problems. I think someone raised the hand. You can, please, you can speak if anyone raised the hand or something.
Sir, where I am doing mistakes, sir? Will you please tell me?
So there are some mistakes actually. As I mentioned that, na, so this you declared your float final price variable inside the if block, if bracket. So
Okay.
you cannot access that outside of this if. This is the scope actually.
Okay, sir.
You have to declare your final price in else one.
Okay, so I am explaining the first problem to you, and you can see how we can use this ternary operator
Okay, sir.
for this without using this X. Okay, you can stop sharing and then I'll share the screen. Okay. Yeah, someone raised the hand. Yeah, yeah, please speak.
Sir, I'm unable to see question over the week 3 problem.
Okay, so maybe you have registered as a teacher. Can you share your screen quickly? What you're getting? Yeah, okay, Utkarsh, nice. You can solve other two also. Yes, sir. Also, philosopher. Can you share your screen?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Uh, okay. Can you open the class? Can you click on the classroom button?
Yes.
So here registered as a student. So select a country and select any institute. Yeah.
Yes.
So it will actually take some time for the loading the institution. You can select any institute. Okay. So there is no actually validation.
Yes.
Just click on the submit button here. No, no problem. Just click the submit button.
Yes. So where is the question?
So once complete these steps. Hmm. Now click on the link which actually we have shared in the chat or calendar, both place. I'm sharing again in the chat. Can you click on that link and see? Okay, Satyaprakash. So yeah, those who have so as Satyaprakash mentioned in the chat, if anyone have login as a teacher by mistake, they can edit by profile actually your role. Yeah. Also, can you show me what you are getting quickly so that otherwise we can start then. You're not audible.
It is busy.
How your okay? So I think you shared only one screen. Can you share your complete screen? I'm not able to see anything what you are doing. Only the online GDV is visible to me. Yeah, Ravikant.
So yes, I have completed this particular project, but it shows only 4 passed out of 5. Why? Can I
Okay,
share
so
our screen?
maybe just wait for some time. Yeah, yeah, just wait, Ravikant. For yeah. Also, can you share quickly you have done or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, my screen visible?
Yes, but your font is very small, so I'm not able to see what you have written. One second, I think two have shared. So, Ravikant, can you stop sharing?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yeah, also, just show me what you are displaying. Yeah, I'm not sure. Screen is here. Ravikant, can you stop sharing? You have done?
No, sir, it
Sir,
shows only 4 out of 5.
No, no. Which screen is visible to me right now on the screen? Also, yeah, you can show what you are getting.
So where
Also
link?
in chat, just scroll up your chat. There we have sent some link in during this time. Okay, you are not getting the link.
Can you share again?
Okay, just sent again. Oh, you are not getting anything. You got. Click on this. Now click on the classroom. Okay, so you have to log in first actually from your Google, which you have already registered. Yeah. Okay, so you can try this. Okay, so after clicking on this link, just log in through your student email ID. Okay, which you have already registered, and then click on the classroom button. You will see. Okay, it will take time. I think at the first time. Okay, so let me just explain the first problem so you can follow the approach. Okay, in the remaining problems, because this is conditional problem. Yeah, Danpat.
Yes, sir. I click on the link that you are sharing, but after clicking on that link, I found no found. I found on that page no found.
Okay, nothing you are able to see. Okay, I'm not sure. Uh, Also, you can stop your sharing if you're not doing anything. You can click on. Hey, please don't write your email here. Just click on the Google Plus button. Just click on the Google Plus button and log in through your Google ID.
So where is
Orange color Google Plus. So then Danpat, you can also follow the same process. Okay, so when you click on the that link,
I have
just
followed
in
I have followed all the steps, but I got no found page after clicking on classroom as well.
you're not getting for a student still. Okay, just give me a minute.
so what the link?
1 second. And view investor. I sent the link again. Okay, can you try this in the chat? Maybe invite link is updated. Click on this. Yeah, Danpat, you can also try this link. I'm not sure in between someone shared there another link.
So now it is open, sir.
Okay. So maybe in between someone shared other. I'm not sure. That was wrong.
Yes,
Okay. Hi, stop sharing and let me just explain the first one.
thank you, sir.
Sir, I have a query that I have successfully completed my code, but it shows only 4 passed out of 5.
So I'll show you from the approach. You can try that. Otherwise, I'll just check your code also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'm showing you how we can actually use that ternary operator. Okay. So yeah, this is the problem statement. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Hmm.
Visible.
So I can just because okay. So we will start the code. So like has include, you know that this is the common thing. stdio.h, because we are using some input output function, and out of this int main, and inside this we will perform our task. Okay, so this is the structure we always follows. After that, our question task is input format. We have single floating point number representing the purchase amount. Okay, so as input we are reading a one floating value. So we have to write, we have to input something that is actually float amount, and finally we actually print the discount prices if it is applicable. Okay, so that means we need some variable to store this data. So we will declare these variables. So float, and first is like this purchase amount. Okay, so purchase amount. Okay, so purchase amount, this we have declared. Similarly, one variable we required. Okay. Okay. So one variable we required for the final discount price. Okay. So float and sorry, float and discount price. Discount, and this is price. Hmm. So these two variables I have declared now, and okay. So there is no color. Printing is coming. Okay, no problem. Hmm. Now, what is the next step? Just read the input. Okay, so just read the input. So how we will read this input? So just use the scanf. Function is used to read the input from the console. So what type of data we are reading? So that we are reading float data type. So we will use the float specifier here, percentile f. Okay. Now we will store this value into the our variable purchase amount, because this input is representing the purchase amount. So to store we use this and symbol before the variable name. Okay, so what is this representing? This is representing the address actually for this variable. So this is the one variable. This is linked to some memory, and what is the address of that memory? Actually, this is fetching. This AND operator is actually getting this address and telling to the compiler that the input data will be stored at this memory address. Okay, so this is the input reading statement. Now our data is stored at this place. Now calculating the discount price. So this is the next step, and we will do this with the help of ternary operator. You can also do this with the help of uh, conditional statement if else, but that is not discussed yet. So we will use the only operator here. So discount price equal to. Okay, so there is a two condition. If our amount is greater than 100, so that discount will be applicable. Okay, discount price will be applicable. Otherwise, discount price uh, will not actually, we will print 1 second. Okay. Yeah, otherwise the same actually purchase amount will be print. What is the purchase amount we have? So what I'm writing here, discount price equal to. Okay, so this is the assignment operator. So that means after that we will write one expression. Okay, or any or ternary operators. So that ternary operator will give some value, and that will be assigned to this discount price. Okay, so how we will use this? So in that ternary operator, how we will write actually ternary operator? So that is the syntax. Actually we will use this variable purchase amount if it is greater than, okay, greater than 100. Okay, this is the one condition, and we use the question mark here. Okay, so this right side part, actually this is the ternary operator I am writing here. Okay, this is not completed now, but on the right side part actually is the ternary operator. So first we are writing a condition. Okay, so that condition is just checking that if our purchase amount is greater than 100. Okay, this is the so this is question mark. So this is representing the condition, uh, and after that we will write a what it will return if this condition is true or if this condition is false. So okay, if this condition is true, so the next value will represent the output when this condition is true. Okay, so that we will apply the discount. Okay, so our if this condition is true, we will apply our discount. So that discount will be, you can calculate like this. Okay, into 0.9. So we are giving 10% discount. So we can simply multiply by 0.9. Okay, 90%. Okay. Uh, then colon and otherwise. Okay. So the meaning of this ternary operator is if this condition is true, this data will be returned. Otherwise, this data will be returned. Okay. Else part. So that is simply purchase amount. This become a one expression. So this is called as a ternary operator. You can use this as a shortcut things, or you can also understand how this is written actually. Okay, so first part is represent the condition in the ternary operator and then question mark. So this is the complete. If this condition is true, then this part will be written by the this operator. Okay. Otherwise, if this condition is false, then this value will be written to the expression. Okay, so now for suppose if our input is 120. Okay, so 120 purchase amount is there, so that means first condition is true. So 120 into 90%. Okay, so this is representing a 90%. So that value will be assigned to discount price. Okay, if our amount is 90 or lower than this, or 100 is also coming into this category. Okay, so if our amount is 100 or 90 something, so in this case this condition become false. At that time this purchase amount, this value will be assigned to this discount price. Okay, now this expression we have written here, and now print this actually. Okay, because our question statement is asking this print statement in this format 108. So just like this printf. Okay, so our output format is also a float value till 2 decimal point. So just use this structure. So percentile and 0.2f. Okay, so you have seen this in many questions in our portal assignment also. So 0.2f, and then what we are printing here, discount price. So this is the question statement. Okay, let's test this. So you can test this by running this code. Okay, so you can pass this amount 120.00 and see what you are getting. You are getting 108.00. You can test your code with another value like 80.00. Okay, and you are getting 80. You can see there is no change for 80 because this value is less than. You can check also with 100. Okay, because 100 is same, so 100 is coming. So if you are getting any input, any value which is greater than 100, then this discount will be applied on that. Okay, supposed to. And then 180.00 you can see. Now if you see that it is our code is returning correct output for all type of possible input, so then you can check with test run button. Okay, so what is the okay. So I think this is some question. Okay. So actually our output format is actually configured in this way. No, this is not mentioned in the question statement. We forget that. Okay. So to match your output in the as the expected output. Okay, so just follow this. You cannot copy the okay, copy is enable. Huh. So just print your output in the same format. Okay. Okay, we cannot paste here. That format is not mentioned in the question statement. Okay. The price. Okay, I'll update this question output format. So I think that is missed in the question statement. The okay, final price. Sorry, price after discount. Okay, test this. Okay, so now our output is, so according to this automatic match, actually your output should be the exact similar format as the requirement. Okay, so our configure test case is output is given in this format. Okay, the final price after discount colon and space, and then your output should value should become. So we have just added this line here. So final price after discount and then space and then this value. So it is giving the correct output matched. Okay, so you can see initial two test case, you are able to see the expected output. So that is also you can verify this what type of output format is actually by the public test case. So this is public test case which are visible to you, but the last three one actually is just configured as a private, so that you cannot see. But if your logic is correct, then that will also pass. If any test case is not passing, that means your output is not matching. Okay, so that means some maybe logic issue is there. Okay, so this is the way you can use this ternary operator as a conditional statement. So first writing a condition, and this is also very important for the exam, your quiz exam also. Okay, so you can see what type of format we are giving in this ternary operator. Okay, so that means first condition, then question mark, then output value if condition is true, then colon, then output value if condition is false, then finish. Okay, so this is the structure of ternary operator. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now the remaining question also. So there is a other question where the some conditional things is required. Okay, so you can try this ternary operator for the questions. Now you can share. Okay, so those who know about the conditional statements, so let me tell you how you can use conditional statement. So if purchase amount is greater than 100, okay, so I am just writing the equivalent code for this ternary operator. Okay, so okay, so if this condition is true, just assign the discount price equal to your purchase amount into that 0.9. Okay, so that 90% after 10% discount. This is the first condition. And else part, so this is else part, and write a discount price equal to simple purchase amount, this. Okay, so I am making this line as a comment now. Okay, now just run this test case, and it is passing the test case. Okay, so this is ternary operators, and this is the equivalent if else condition for the same operator. Okay,
Yes, sir. I have also solved a statement by using if-else statement.
okay, your now test case passed.
Yes, sir. It's passed.
So for this problem, I think I missed to mention the correct that format, output format. So this final price after discount is also required here. So you can this verify by the test case. So some test case are visible. So you can just verify that what is the expected output actually. So this line is actually also required in the expected. So just add this. Yeah, Utkarsh.
Sir, actually, my code is getting passed in all the visible test cases, but the test case which is not visible, I am getting failed in it.
Okay, yeah. Now you can share your screen.
Okay, sir.
So others can move to the second problem. So now all problems are like in this same way. So just try. Okay. But complete all these problems in today only. Okay. So do not left this anything. So you have mentioned CPSP result. Scan
This
has.
is
Oh, this is the
problem
problem
number
number
three, sir.
three.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So I have to check actually because uh, profit loss. Public is passed. Okay, for
Here
100
it
you are
is.
getting 120, and for 150 you are getting 140 minus 10 loss. Okay.
But but here you can see I'm getting passed in only 3 test cases out of 4, and it is not visible.
Okay.
So
So
it's equal to, sir.
one test case is for that the equal value actually.
यस सर इक्वल पुट करने पे बाद आ जाएगा.
उसे just consider that as a
Okay, sir.
profit and 0 0, like
So
0.00 something else like this.
here I have to just greater than equal to.
Just assign the greater than equal to condition for this.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So we have also disabled the paste feature in this. So because of that, you can at least type the code. Otherwise, you may actually delete the code. So okay, so this is the problem statement one. Let me just move to the problem statement two. I think problem one is done. Any doubt, anyone? Bitwise
No, sir.
operator. Can we do problem 3 using bitwise operator? Okay, so I'm not sure how you want to use this bitwise operator. Yeah, if you are able to solve using the bitwise operator, you can use. Okay, no restriction on the logic. You can try any logic, but your task should be complete. Okay.
Done, sir.
There is one use case of the bitwise operator you can try. Just identify that number is even or odd with the help of bitwise operator. Okay, without using the percentile or these things. So that is one problem you can try. Okay, with the help of bitwise operator. Okay, so let me share to the second problem. That is also very similar because all four problems are similar. But you should know how to actually use the condition or read the input and mainly write the output. Okay, so a company gives a 5% bonus to employee if their monthly salary is greater than $5,000. That is C program to calculate the total salary. That means salary plus bonus for an employee. The program should take the monthly salary as input and output the total salary. So here again, same thing. Condition is mentioned if salary is greater than 5,000. Okay, so then this bonus is applied. Otherwise, not. 5,000 is also not included. Okay, so only if it is 5,001, then this bonus is applied. Okay. So same format is given, output format is given. Now input is 6,000, total salary with bonus is become 6,300. Okay, because this is greater than 5,000. So you can try with this ternary operator. Just try this ternary operator. So you will learn actually. Okay, ternary operator. So maybe if some question comes in the your quiz exam, so you will be able to understand. Otherwise, if you know this condition study, you can do. But here you can try only with ternary operators. Okay, anyone have done this column number 2 with the help of ternary operator?
No, sir, with the help of if-else statement.
Hey, try with ternary operator, na. So from week 4 onwards, just use everything. But in week 3, just use ternary operator. Okay, so let me try this. Okay, so I'm writing the code. You, if you have already done, you can move to the next, or okay. Otherwise, you can try with me. So okay, so has same things include stdio.h and main. Okay, so now same thing. We have input salary as a float value, and output is the total final value. So here format is correct given, or total salary with bonus. Okay, or you can also verify it with the public test cases. So just read the input. So first thing is just float, declare the variable. Okay, so float, okay, salary. So and then float uh, salary including bonus. Okay, so final salary, like, okay. So this is the two variable we have planned to use to store the data. So just after that, read the input. Okay, so scanf, and same things, percentile f. So float value we are getting, and this will we will store inside the variable salary. Okay, so the now our input task is done. Now we got the data in input variable, and after that we will calculate our final salary. So same things, use final salary equal to, okay. Now the condition is salary is, if salary is greater than, so salary is greater than 5,000. Okay, so this condition is greater than, not equal to. Okay, so equal is also not included in this. So now question mark, if this condition is true, what should be the return? Okay, so 5% bonus we are actually giving, so that is actually salary, and here you can multiply by 1.05. Okay, so this will become a 105%. So your salary will become a 105%. Otherwise, so this is column, then otherwise same salary. Okay, now this is a one line ternary operator sim expression. So you can see, if salary is greater than 500, this will become a amount and will assign to final salary. Otherwise, salary as it is assigned to the final salary. Now just print the statement as per the correct format. So here, so what is our statement is actually total. Okay, so total salary with bonus colon space. Okay, here just apply this percentile 0.2f. Okay, and pass your output variable here. So what you want to print at this place of this percentile 0.2f. Okay, so I hope you all know that. So this variable value will be passed at this place. Okay, and your output will be print in this format. So this is the string, and the inside the string, at this place our final salary value will be replaced. Okay, so this is called as a string formatting. So yeah, this is the statement. You can verify this. Okay, some error is there, so you should also know how to check Okay. So you can see we are getting some error around this print statement. Okay. So just check what is the incorrect thing. So I missed the F, printf. Now try 6,000. So you are getting your total salary is 6,300. Someone raised the hand. Yeah, please speak if anyone raised the hand.
Sir, I'm getting some problem number three, sir. After this completion, can you able to see, sir?
Problem number 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So after completion of this, I'll check.
Yes, okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so 6,000 and this become a correct. Now check with the another test case, possible test case. So let's like 4,999. So this is as it is, and for check also for 500. So just understand that according to the problem, what are the possible input? Okay, so verify your output for the each. Okay, your code is working fine. So now check. Yeah, all is working fine. Okay, so same operator we used, ternary operator, final salary. Okay, so I hope this is very it's the same. Okay, no change. Only some condition is changed. So let's move to the problem number third. Yes, sir. Okay, so that part I'm not sure. Hmm. So I'm just telling you. So, sir, if you are starting using this if and else things, so if you're using this block thing, okay, so you can see what is the meaning of this block. Okay, so for this is actually a function. Main is a function, and this is called as a body of this function. Okay, so opening bracket, curly bracket, and this close curly bracket. So this is called as a body, okay, or block of this function. So any variable which is declared inside this block can be accessed only inside this block. Okay, so in the initial of the session someone have written like this. So if any condition mentioned and that inside this someone have declared like this int a equal to 10. Okay, and so this is now if you declared any variable inside this block. Okay, so this open bracket and curly bracket. Okay, so this now this a can be only accessed inside this block, not outside of this block. So if you want to print this outside of this will not be actually accessed. Percentile if you want to print like this, so it will show you the error because access scope only for this a is only within this block. If you have declared inside this block. Okay, so that means if you want to use your variable in the every part of your function, so just always declare first at the outside of the function. So like here, so int a equal to 10 like this. Okay, and then you can use at every place. So then you can modify this here. So now this is you can change this to 11. It will reflect here also. So just make sure that this will be discussed in the week 5 when we will discuss about the function and scope everything. But at this time you can just remember this. Okay. Hmm. Okay, I'm moving to the problem number third. Yeah, someone is saying, okay, let me check which is the problem. Okay, input and output. Okay. Okay, here again same thing. So input format and output. This comma is not there in the input format. Okay, so if you check this, oh, some error. Okay, after complete just writing some function, you can see. Okay, you can share your screen. What error you are getting?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so there may be a chance some like configuration on some part that I want to see actually. So all these problem actually I configured today morning only. So
Sir, is it visible, sir?
no, Anyone have done this problem number 3 successfully?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay,
Sir.
thanks. Hmm. Yeah, now your screen is visible.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, so what you did? So tell me line by line.
First, I have hash include studio.h as include itself. Then I am
Hmm.
declaring the cost price and selling price as and one more variable as PL.
Hmm.
So, I think that is profit or loss. For that, I have taken a variable and declared as a float there. Then I am
Okay.
getting the values for cost price and selling price. After that,
Okay.
I have calculated the profit or loss using the selling price and cost price is the difference. If I am comparing with
Hmm.
the output, if it is greater than zero, that is it is a profit. Then I am condition statement if I have used for profit as this one. Else, if it is less than zero, I have wrote the printf statement for the loss. After testing this,
Okay.
uh, I am
Hmm.
getting as out of 4 cases, it is only 3 test cases are positive. Getting
Three pass. Huh?
yes,
Okay.
sir.
Can you show me the code again?
Oh yes.
So maybe same equal condition. Okay. Okay. So just take as a equal sign. PL is greater than equal 0.
Greater than or equal to zero.
So actually equal is also considered as a print with profit, not the
Oh,
loss.
is it correct, sir?
Ha.
Okay.
Now check it. Hmm.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
1 second. Don't just. Okay.
Again, can I share, sir?
You
Sir.
can show to the others what you did actually. Just
Okay, okay, sir.
step by step. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So all others you can see what he did, and just minimize your problem statement and just expand this editor to the left side. Just drag this part here. Okay.
Is it visible? Yes, sir.
It is visible now. So all you can see how this solution can be written. Okay, so here two variables we have to read and then condition. So same things. So this is done with the if else statement, and what we can also do with the help of ternary operator. So you can also understand with the if else. Otherwise, I'll explain with the ternary operator. Yeah. Okay. You can just quickly explain.
Sir, I have declared as the cost price and selling price, and one more variable profit or loss for that PL I have declared as a float. After that, I have wrote this kind of statement to receive the input from the user for cost price and selling price. After that, I have calculated the result if it is a profit or loss. For that, I have subtract the selling price and cost price. Selling
Hmm.
price minus cost price. Then after that, I am comparing the result is a greater than or equal to zero. If it is the case, then it is a profit. Uh, for that, if for the first printf statement shows the profit. If it is the condition is not met, then I have taken the else case. Then it is a loss. The same statement will be printed.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Fine. And also for that uh, safety purpose, if you have declared this main function with the int, always return thing,
Ah,
return
oh,
0. Okay.
okay, sir. Sorry, sir. I have forgotten
That
actually.
hmm, space in. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Anyone have done this with the help of ternary operator? Problem number third.
Sir, I done with if.
Ternary operator, no?
No, sir, if else statement.
No. I'm asking for the ternary operator. Yeah, you can stop sharing.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone have done with with the help of ternary operator? I'm asking. So let me share my screen and let's show you.
Sir, can you give me 2 minutes to do in by ternary operator also?
You can do, no problems. You can also do. Meanwhile, I am also writing. Okay. Okay. So let's start this. Uh, just same thing as include stdio dot h and main. Okay. Okay, so according to the question statement, this time we have two inputs actually. Okay, one is representing the selling price and one is representing the that purchase price, cost price. Okay, can we look at on the cost price and selling price. Okay, and based on that we need to finalize the profit and loss. Okay, so we have two inputs, cost price and selling price. So let's declare two variable for this, and these variables like float, cost, price. You can declare in one line also. So like cost, sale price. Okay. So now we have got this. Now to reading the input. Okay. So you can write in two different ways. So like you can write two different scanf statement. Yeah, Rahul. Okay. Scanf. Okay, you can write two scanf or you can write one scanf. Okay, so I'm explaining both. So percentile that f. Okay, and percentile f again. So after giving one space, so percentile f I am just adding again. So that is percentile f. Hmm. And we can assign the both value to variable number, cost price and comma sale price. So this is just reading two input actually. Okay, either your input is given in two lines, still it will read. Otherwise, if your input is given separated by space in one line, still it will actually read both. Okay, percentile f, and cost price and selling price. So first value will be stored in this cost price variable. Second value will be stored in this sale price variable. Same things you can write with the help of two scanf statements separately. Okay. Oh, this copy and paste is not working. Okay, scanf, then like percentile f, and like so I want to use as a separately and sell price. Okay, so above I will remove the sell price part. So now these two inputs we are reading and storing our variables. Now, as I mentioned, we will just calculate the difference. So like we can give the name of this difference anything. So like float difference. Okay, is the just sale price minus cost price. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so this is the difference, and after that we will use the ternary operator. So how we can use? So finally, what we want to print, that we want to print as a like. Uh, Give a second. Okay. Okay, so this ternary operator we can also use inside the our that print statement. So like print directly. What is this? It is saying something error. Oh, okay. Hmm. So like print statement, printf, and inside this I'll just directly return the output to the print statement. Okay, so that print format. Okay, so that we have that is okay, fine. So what I'll write here? So like I'll write d. Okay, if d is greater than equal to 0, then question mark. Okay, what should be the output. So that is actually a string. Mm, One second. Or you can just use this. Okay. Just type this. So for printf statement and the result equal to profit this and loss this. Okay. So just write this like profit. Okay. So if t is greater than equal to 0, then profit. Profit. Oh, it is not coming. Profit and colon and this value actually. So d is passed to this d. Okay, so here actually this function, how we will pass this d in the statement. I have to check. Okay, so that is percentile f. Let's see, and this is still point 2 f. Okay, so let's see this how it will actually work. So this is the first value we are printing. If our d actually d is the difference is greater than equal to 0. So what is our profit? Otherwise, else part, then that is actually loss. Okay, so that is loss. So that we will write loss, and here loss is actually a same value. So what we are getting here? So percentile point 2 f. Okay, now this is the expression to print, but here we will pass our d value. So you can see how we are passing our result in the expression print statement. Printf this scanf. Okay, so we missed d. So if d is greater than equal to 0, this part will be actually considered as a output. Okay, print profit and percentile 2f. So what is the difference actually? Otherwise loss. This one would be printed with, and this d value will be passed in this f place, percentile f place. So that means we just pass this ternary operator inside the printf statement itself. Okay, so let's see it is working. Okay, two test case pass. So okay, capital and small p. Okay, so this is the difference you can see. So we missed this here. Profit. Okay, now all working. So you can see we can use this ternary operator like this also. So inside the print statement directly or as a expression. So this is the way. Otherwise, I am just explaining with the help of ternary operator. So you should know about this operator. Otherwise, if else, if you are comfortable, you can use any which you are comfortable. Okay. So yeah, please.
Sir, which way statement to be used, sir? Ternary operator or if else statement, which one is better, sir? And where the particular if else statement to be used or ternary operator to be used, sir? Is there any condition?
No, so ternary operator is just like a operator actually. So this is actually equivalent to the if else condition. So you can use any. Okay, internally it works like as if else condition.
Oh, okay.
So same things we are using all the statement. We are using condition. Okay, then we are using the if condition is true, what should be execute. Other if condition is false, then what should execute. So all things are there actually. But this is just provided as a operator. So you can use this also as a additional feature.
Sir, yeah. for if multiple statements to be executed, then also it can be used, sir. Or if
Yes, it can. Yeah, it can also be used. So in that case, what you can do, you can use the nested ternary operator. So suppose if you have multiple condition, so inside like this, suppose this is the first condition. Okay,
okay,
if first condition is true, then this part should be happen. Else part, you can again write the ternary operator.
okay, sir.
Okay, so again you can write a condition and just write a like same things inside the else part.
Oh,
So
oh,
you
okay,
can make this as a multiple condition. Is it okay?
oh,
But
okay.
that is actually not proper readable. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
in that case, we will prefer as a if else statement.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, but if you have any single line as that condition, so that you can try this.
Oh, okay, okay.
Hmm. Yeah, that's sorry, Ravikant. Yeah, Ravikant.
Yes, sir, I wrote the code by turning operator, but it shows only one passed out of five.
Okay, so for this question, actually, I have already. You can see the question on
Sir,
my
can
screen
I
now.
share our screen?
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir.
This is one. This is the cost problem number third, na? No, fourth, I think. No, third. Okay. Huh.
Third
So
problem.
float and selling profit. Okay. Scan if you read both the selling. Yeah. Okay. Profit equal to. Okay. So here actually, mhm, selling cost by print statement. Print f profit. Print f this. One second. What you did? Can you just go to back? You can just drag this and okay, T price complete expression. So profit 1 second from here. Just go slowly. Okay, if selling price minus cost price is greater. Okay, take equal side, equal condition also here. Okay, just take equal condition also here. Selling minus cost price is greater than equal to 0.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then you are printing profit and
Yes.
otherwise you loss. Then
Okay,
run
sir.
your. That is also fine. Okay, just test your code.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so 1 second. Look,
Sir,
can you show me the lower one? Okay, your output. Uh, just click on the test button. Okay. So what is the mismatch is coming in the second test case? Just scroll down. 1 second. Okay. Loss. Okay, so your loss should become in the negative sign actually.
okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Maybe I
Oh,
have
you
to
have. I
do
think.
selling price minus cost price.
Always write.
Yeah,
Always
I
use the
got it.
selling minus cost. Okay. Then it will complete.
Yes, sir. Done.
Hmm. Okay, now fourth problem. Anyone have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Utkarsh, can you share your screen? And I think this is simple without using any ternary operator, all this thing.
Yes, sir. Wait, let me share my screen.
Huh. So can you explain? Yeah, all you can see the problem number 4. Okay, this is simple expression based without using any conditional or any ternary operator things. So yeah, this you can.
Yes, sir. First, I have defined the library for input output, and then there is my function main, and then there I have declared the type of the inputs that I am going to take. And here, as you can see, I have used percentile LF for double function, and then I am registering the input data in USD. Then I am uh, converting the euro into USD by multiplying it with the exchange rate, which I have previously defined in this and double, and then I'm
Print.
simply printing the euro.
Okay, okay, nice. Yeah, this is the simple one. Just read the input and convert into a required okay currency, and then print the output. This is okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone. You can complete all this. One more thing I want to show you that for C programming, I have added the attendance report. Anyone have checked this on the C portal? This is only for the term student actually, not the qualifier one. Okay, you can try with. We are just shared this as a experimented way. So let me share. For C programming attendance, you can see. So on the portal, there is one session, live session, okay, and inside the live session tracker.
So
When
this
you will,
session, uh,
huh?
this session is not for the qualifying students.
No, no, this is for all these sessions for qualifier. I am just talking about the attendance thing, okay. So that attendance, so that is on the term student portal. So that is not for the qualifier. So you can see this. This is the one feature we have just released on the term student, on the term not qualifier. Okay. So when you will just uh, give in the your ID, okay. So switch account, you will see your attendance actually in the C live sessions like this. Okay. So the first chart is representing the how much duration you actually joined your each session. Okay, and second table is representing the full how many minutes you stayed in the session or present absent all these things, and this is overall. Okay, so present percent and versus absent percent. So you can test for yourself, okay, only for term student, not for the qualifier. Okay, don't confuse. So you can so anyone if you are able to see, can you share your screen and show me, because we are testing this right now. Yeah, Ravikant, can you share your screen and show me what you are
Sir,
getting
I am
on?
sharing.
Okay, Raj, you can share. So this is still last session. So today's session will update. Okay, maybe by tomorrow, in some day. Oh, you are a 100% attendance. Good. Okay, nice.
It is working, sir.
Some working now. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And it is showing correct now.
Yes, sir, all these are correct.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, yeah. So that's it for today. So just to practice. Okay,
Practice,
for the
okay. Sir, but it's not for all subjects.
So this is in testing phase. So we are working on that. Maybe slowly, slowly it will be moved to the another.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then that's it from
No,
my
sir.
side. If anyone have any query, you can ask.
Sir,
Otherwise,
is this attendance policy also for the people in qualifier? Because from next month, my exams are going to start.
no qualifier. I'm not sure. You can check with the support. Okay, so that is applicable on qualifier. I'm not sure. Maybe I think no,
Sir, I am
but it's
Non-tech
still the
qualifier
qualifier.
is
You can
basically
verify.
standalone students. Is mandatory.
This is for only term student and standalone actually. But we have released this for all students, so they can also see actually in C programming right now. Okay.
Sir, this type tracker should also be in. Other codes only. Other codes are also same.
As I mentioned, no, this is in testing phase, so we are working on that. Slowly, other course will also be displayed like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Uh, any other query? Anyone? Sachin? Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Pankaj.
I have doubt in C programming PPA 1, sir.
Week 3?
Week 4.
Week 4.
Yes, sir. I unable to write in nothing, sir. That in the
Okay. Can you
code.
share your screen now? Hmm.
There is PPA 1, sir. Not graded. I unable to write anything there.
So can you share your screen and show me?
Actually, I am joining from the mobile, so I have
Okay.
to.
So 1 second. I am sharing. Okay. PPA 3. PPA 3, na?
Yes,
Week
sir.
4.
PPA 1 or 3, 1 or 3, anyone.
One you can easily write. Actually, all are open.
Yes, sir, I am facing problem to how I will write in there means it is not working when I am giving command anything typing there but not saying in the that display
No, what you are not able to type, or you are not able to get the correct output. Like,
means I am able to type but there is not showing that output means I
so
am
that
typing
means you are not doing the correct things, na? So if you're not getting the proper output, can you show
no
me
sir.
what code you are writing? Because of that, I'm asking to share to you. Okay, so here it is. So this code is for like write a program that accept an integer n and print the factorial of n. And so this
Yes
is the okay. So just write the code for this.
Sir, I have that created the full screen. Yes sir, that you are typing means I unable to type that thing, sir. It is
No, but
not working in my laptop. I don't know why.
I'm not so sure which problem you are talking about. But for this, anything there is
Yes,
no.
now it is working. Now it is working.
Uh, so 1 second.
Yesterday I have tried that and it is what it was not working yesterday. Now it's
But
working.
if you can show me, then I can give some help. Okay. So otherwise, if you are not showing anything to me and you're just saying how. So for this type of problem, I'm explaining you. For this type of this is PPA 1 for the Week 3. So just understand that this gray part actually. Okay. So this gray part is actually fixed code. Okay. So this also is a fixed code. You cannot change this. But
Okay,
in
sir.
between there is a white line. You can type anything here and you can press enter and you can type like this. Okay. And you can complete this code. So this is the area where you can type only for this problem. But
Okay,
this gray part you cannot modify it, you cannot remove, you cannot do anything with this. But in between there is a white space, you can type and press enter to add more line.
okay, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, some problems where the complete white area is there, you can type anything. So here you can see again same gray area is there. You cannot modify this, but in white line you can type. Okay,
Okay, sir.
like this. And see Friday session. Okay, if you are facing any issue with the PPAs or things, Friday, sorry, not Thursday session. All PPAs are discussed, I think, on Thursday session.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Sachin. Sir, yes, Sachin, if you are qualifier, then you will not be able to. Okay, so if you are term student, then you can access through your student ID. Okay, can you share your screen? Yeah, Sachin, can you share your screen? What you opened actually? Okay, can you go back to the portal course page? 1 second. Just refresh this page completely. Oh, you are getting something different. Please sign in your Google account, then reload this page. Okay, so sign in your Google account, that student email ID only. This is personal, no? Uh, okay, okay, you can you try with in the incognito mode? I think your that browser is logging through your personal email ID and it is only checking for that, maybe. Just open your this course page on the that incognito mode on the browser and check from that. You're not audible, so I'm not sure what you are doing. Okay, but you can try, and maybe we will discuss in the next things. Okay, just try in the incognito mode. Yeah, Ravi.
Sir, actually in week 0, what is given and what is the work of given link with, and that is in collaboration with Linux, such that.
No, what you are asking? What is what things?
Sir, can you please go to week 0?
Huh?
Yeah,
Big zero.
yes, sir.
There is no big zero in the C programming. Oh, this is you are talking about the qualifier. 1 second. Yeah, also.
No, sir, it's all right.
Sir, can you tell me how to do
Actually,
three
it's
digits
present
swipe?
in the notes.
3-digit swaps.
Yeah.
So you can swap with the like using operate temporary variables. So what issue you are facing? What logic you are writing? So
Sir,
three variable swapping I am not getting understand. So how
sir,
you are actually swapping this between three?
sir, with three digits, I'm doing with two digits, but I'm unable to do three digits. Swiping three
Okay,
digits.
can
The example, sir, this example 1 2 3 to swiping 3 2 1.
you are saying reverse?
Yes, sir. Swipe.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Here you have to apply the like some this modulo operator and that divide operator. Okay, so here what you can do, you can make a new digit actually by just suppose if you have 1 2 3, okay, as a things, and now you want to break this into a digits actually 1 2 and 3 separately. So how you will get a last digit? So if you just apply the that modulo operator on this, so you will get a reminder. Just divide by this by 10 actually. Okay, 1 2 3 modulo operator by 10, so you will get a last digit. Okay, if you apply the so if you divide this 1 2 3 by 10, now I'm talking about the divide actually, not model. Okay, so you will get a integer part 12. So in this way you can break all the digits actually and make a new reverse digit actually. So after getting the reminder, so when you will divide this value by a 10 and you will get a reminder like this 9, so you can make this as a first digit to the new number. Again apply the same process on the that quotient part. So okay, just
Sir,
give me.
screen is not visible.
Okay, I am not explaining on the screen now. But I have to explain this. Hmm. Okay. So what happens? Suppose you have a n input as a 1, 2, 3. This is an integer. Okay. So how we can just break the digits actually? So what you can do, you can just write like as a n modulo operator by 10. So what you will get output for this? 3, correct? I am just giving the idea of to solve this. So
Yes.
because this will return a reminder. So this will divide by a 12. QSN value will become 12, and this will become a reminder. So this is now a last digit we are getting. Now we want to perform the same things on the remaining parts. So you can replace your n equal to n divided by 10. So this time only integer part will come. So if you're dividing this by a 10, so only integer part will come, and that is now 12, and that value is assigned to this n. Okay, now n become 12. Same things repeat again. So you have to do this with the help of some looping actually, while loop. Okay, so I think this type of question is also there in the week 4 assignments. So again same things. Now 12 is there, so again divide by 2, you will get a remainder 2. Okay, and now again change your value to like 10, so you will get a 1. So again same things you can check, n percentile by 10, so now this is 1, so you will get it 1. So in this way we are just identifying each digit one by one. At the each steps you can just make a new value for this. Okay, so first digit you can use as a 3. After that, this just add this as a 3 into 10 plus this value like 2. Okay, so this will become a 32. At the next step, just so 32 and the same things. So that is now a plus into 10 plus this one. So this is now 320 and 1. So that will become plus 1 will become a 3 to 1. So just follow this process. One side just break the your complete number into a digits, and at the same time just make a new value by help of this. Okay, so this is just the idea, but you have to use this process inside the while loop to repeat the same steps again and again. So okay, so I think just check your week 4 assignments. So some question is also given in this way, so you can apply the same logic. Yeah, Namai.
Sir, I am doubting third question. Actually, the same three stages stages start out of
So no, this third question is from week 3. Which actually assignment?
from that assignment is a solving right now.
I'm not getting your voice clear. So you are talking today our that online GDV questions.
Yes, yes, that's it.
Nami, you
Should
are
I?
not audible. Okay, you can share your screen now.
Yes, sir.
Sachin, you what's your query? Sachin? Yeah, Raj Singh, yes.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Actually, we have another class of Linux from 2 p.m., sir.
So you can leave. Yeah, I am also closing this session quickly. Was after this?
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
those who have the class of Linux, you can join that.
Excuse
Okay,
me,
sir.
sir.
Just share your problem and what show me.
Sir, this one.
Okay. If S is greater than equal to C, then profit. Okay, just mention that if S is greater than equal to C. Just now check. Okay, working. So actually, we are taking this zero difference as a profit. So okay, so now it's fine.
Sir, but it is not mentioned in the question.
It is not mentioned, but zero is not as a we are not considering as a loss actually. Okay, so zero one side it should be come. So that is also configured as a one. So just switch it. So now it is working so fine.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, then thanks everyone. So I have also one another meeting, so I have to close.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Thanks everyone. Bye.